Proposed retirement age na 56, 100% malabong ma-approve. Paano na? Yes, friends, yan po ang personal opinion po natin. Malabo talaga itong retirement age na proposal na 56. Bakit? Kasi po walang movement po sa Senate, no? Ang nabasa natin dito is dated September 20, 2023 pa. Bill lowering optional retirement age of government workers to 56 reaches plenary. Ayan po. As of today, December 28, 2024, wala pong bagong balita. Ibig sabihin, friends, this is tantamount to negative or no approval. Sa akin lang po ng personal opinion. So, paano na? Well, maghintay po tayo, no, na mag-age 60 tayo para maka-retire tayo. Optional retirement. Yung 65 naman, mandatory retirement. Kasi po, hindi rin papayag ang GSIS sa proposal na retirement age na 56. Kasi po, maapektuhan po yung pondo nila. Yung budget nila is age 60 po na retirement age sa mga government employees. Ayan po. Sayang po ang proposal na ito kasi I believe marami din ang mag-avail sana ng retirement age na 56 to enjoy early retirement life. Honestly po, isa ako doon sa mag-avail sana ng retirement age na 56 kung approve po ito. Ang problem po, hindi po ma-approve or malabo po itong ma-approve. So in other words, 60 years old na lang tayo mag-retire. Ayan po. No other option but ito po, 60. Optional retirement age. How about you, friends? Ano ba ang comment ninyo sa retirement age natin as government employees? Pagod na ba kayo sa trabaho ninyo? Excited na ba kayo mag-retire and enjoy life with your family and friends? At may pension kayo na tatanggapin? By the way, ang pension natin, pag mag-retire tayo, wala na pong tax, wala na pong deduction. So, malaki na po ang ma-receive natin actually if pensioner tayo. Basta po, wag lang mag-rely sa pension but I suggest as early as now, mag-business na din kayo. Kailangan may passive income tayo. Alright? So, thank you for watching. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.